Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the handbag housewife, and I'm laughing because what I have to unbox today is precariously balanced on my arm, knee, whatever combo you want to say, but it is not very stable. There are 2 items in this box and there's 1 item in this box, and these are Christmas presents. So I'm gonna put in the thumbnail Christmas surprise so that the recipient does not look at this video. She swore to me she wouldn't, and I wanted to go ahead and share these because with the holiday season being currently in progress, I thought these would be great gifts, and it's a great set altogether, and 2 of the 3 items are for sale right now. Well, no, all 3 are for sale. 2 of the 3 items are actually on sale right now. And I need to decide which of the boxes to open first. Should I go big or should I go small? I think we should save the big one for last. No, I'm gonna do the big one first. Oh my goodness. So my information is on the other side of the box. So I'm gonna lay this box in my lap, and then once I get it opened, I can show you how it was packed. But I do want to show you real quick. This came from France, and it had kind of a rough ride between there and here. You can see the box is torn there, and it's actually split open right here, so you could easily reach your hand in and kind of take a little peek. I don't think anybody did, because if they had, then that little slit would be spread out further, I think, than it actually is. So let's get into the box and see what we can see. I've got my handy dandy ceramic knife. Hopefully I don't wound myself today. These things are generally somewhat protective of your body parts unless you happen to stab yourself in the thumb like I have been known to do once before. Ooh, I about stabbed myself in the chest there. There's a little bit too much force going that direction. Man, this box does not want to open. So this box is from 24S, and I did request the Parisian packaging. I have a conversation kind of going on with one of my subscribers who told me that when she contacted 24S, they told her they did not do the Parisian packaging for Coach. I don't know if that's true. I haven't ordered anything but Coach and Marc Jacobs from 24S, so it's possible that this isn't the Parisian packaging, but I think it is. Basically, if it is, it comes with the box printed in color on the inside. It used to have a fold out where it was sort of a 3-dimensional pop-up book kind of thing, and they've done away with that and then went with a color printed picture instead. And then they always do a gift bag. Well, this isn't a gift bag. They always do a shopping bag. This little envelope is instructions on how to make a return. I will tell you that in the bottom of the box that I just cast to the side, that they do put all of the paperwork you need, so you don't have to have a printer to make a return. I've done a return 1 time. I've ordered from them many times, and I've never had an issue with any of my orders except for that one, and I had no issues with the return. So this is a website that I do recommend. It is 24s.com. I post their sales on my community page, and right now they have a good one going. So go over to my community page and check out what I posted. But this is one of the items I did not post on my community page. It is currently on the Coach website for full price, I think. I don't know, it could have went on sale, but the best price I had found was on 24s.com. So this is the Cary Hobo bag, and it is a gift, like I said. I may go ahead and leave the, I don't know, should I unwrap it? I think I need to unwrap it just to check everything out, because this gift is for my mother-in-law and I want to make sure everything's perfect. I can wrap this for her and tuck the straps inside if I need to. I generally, like if I'm going to ship a bag to somebody, I'll roll the straps up because I think that it's good to do that to prevent them from getting kinked or wonky. I would hate to give this to her for Christmas and then find out later that it has a defect. So I am going to keep the stuffing and put that back in there the same way or close to the same way. Okay, so here she is. This is the color Dark Stone. It is a beautiful shade. It comes with this little sea charm, which is the same essentially as what they used to put on the Dreamer bags. This leather is so, so nice. It's a soft pebble leather. It's a lot like the Coach Camera bags that I like so much. It feels really nice and thick. And then the lining on it is, it's almost satiny, but it's not. It's kind of like a cross between a twill and a satin. And it matches the exterior color of the bag. On the inside, there are two pockets on this side. They're slip pockets right there and there. It looks like you could slide a cell phone in either one. And on this side, there is a snap pocket that has a leather snap. So it's a big, wide open pit. I think it's going to develop a beautiful slouch. Let me go ahead and unwrap the long strap. I try not to pack my straps where they do this. I like to leave them with the keeper down as low as possible when I ship a bag, and then I roll them, and that way that tail of the strap doesn't flip out like that. But I think since I'm opening this before Christmas, as long as I have it like that and roll it like I am describing, that it will stay nice and flat whenever my mother-in-law opens this beauty up. I'm gonna put my glasses on real quick and just check it out. Make sure we don't have any defects or scuffs. It's looking really good to me so far. There's the base. I believe it's 5 inches wide at the base, or I guess 5 inches deep at the base. It has a nice zipper pocket on the back, which I believe you could easily fit a phone in there or receipts or whatever you might want to put. Might need a little bit of wax on that zipper. It's a tiny bit stiff. If you didn't know, you can run wax paper over zippers and it makes it so where the zippers run much more smoothly. Let me check out the zipper on the bag itself. So there is a trick to zipping and unzipping this. If you just pinch right here, it makes it super easy. A little ASMR for you guys there. If you don't pinch it right there, it kind of catches a little bit more. If I was buying this bag for myself, I would probably get it in the smaller size. I have tried on the smaller Cary crossbody and it is super nice. I've been very tempted by the saddle color of that one. And this one here, I absolutely love the color, but I have a Tory Burch bag that's pretty much identical in shade to this one with gold hardware. So I wouldn't get the smaller version of this because it would be the same size as my Tory Burch Willa bag that I have in the taupe. But I'm going to go ahead and open the other box because it is meant to go with this bag. I had this genius idea for a 3-piece Christmas present, so let's see what we're going to accessorize with. The second part of the haul is directly from Coach. So we've got the Coach packaging. I did not request gift packaging. I thought about it and I'm like, maybe I should have, but I didn't, so that's okay. There are 2 items. The first one will open here. I believe these are also still available on the website. They were yesterday. Now this is a smooth leather and it is also in the dark stone color. When you open this little card holder up, it's really nice. It's got 4 slots on this side. It has a slot on this side. It has a zipper area there. And then it has a compartment that you could put probably a key fob in, but you could definitely put your cash folded in half right there. And then it also has this pocket in the back. And I didn't realize that when I was ordering it, but you could pop some receipts in there, or you could even put your most used card in that back pocket. And while it is smooth leather instead of pebbled, it is in the same color, which is dark stone, as the Cary Hobo bag. That's piece number 1 of the 2-part Coach haul, or I guess I should say the 3-part Coach haul, because there's the bag, the wallet, and then last but not least is the piece de la resistance, which I'm sure I'm totally butchering, but it's the C chain. Now I could have showed you with my C chain. I probably should have, but then it wouldn't have been a true unboxing. I wanted to get a decoration for this bag, and I don't know how this is going to work, if it's going to be good, if it's going to be not good. So I figured we would check it out together. But this bag is just a wee bit on the plainer side. And I thought, you know, what better idea than to get something to snazz her up just a little bit more. So there is the bag with the C chain, and I think that that is stunning. So let me go ahead and zip up the bag again. I did put a little bit of the stuffing inside to give it a little bit more shape when I try it on. I'm putting the crossbody strap in the back, and then if I decide to wear it crossbody, which is not mine, but if I were to, then that would leave this to fold right in the front. But I'm liking it more and more and thinking maybe I should get a smaller version of the Cary crossbody. So this is on the middle setting, and it's pretty darn long on me, if you couldn't tell. So my mother-in-law may not like this as a crossbody because she's about 6 inches shorter than me. Let me go ahead and shorten this up all the way. So this is the shortest setting. I would tend to wear it a little higher, but maybe not, because then this bottom part really pokes out. On her, I think we may have to add a few more holes, but that is definitely possible. I think we could add maybe 1 or 2 without overlapping with the hardware on the dog leash clip. So that would bring it up about that much, which may be just perfect for her. If not, this bag is incredibly comfortable on the shoulder, and I really don't think it looks that big. And look how gorgeous the C chain is on it. Oh my gosh, I freaking love it. Now, of course, you just saw me unwrap this chain. It's almost 19 inches long. I think the older version of the C chain that I have that is 2 inches longer wouldn't look as good on this bag. This is perfect for this bag. I probably would move this over on the opposite side maybe of this clip, because otherwise you're going to have them rattling together. You can hear that. But all that is just a little bit of positioning. But let me give you an up-close look of the leather, which is stunning. I just love that chain. Oh my gosh, it makes the bag. The bag is just so, so nice. It's way better than I even anticipated. I've seen these on the shelves, and I think I even tried one on at the time I was into these soft tabby hobos, which I still have my Canyon one and I love it. But now after seeing this, I think I like this just as well as the soft tabby hobo, and I think that this is going to be more durable as well. I'm saying as well a lot. So let me know what you think of this beautiful set. You know what I think. I love it. Now I want to buy one, but not in this size, the smaller size. I think that it's going to be a great Christmas present, and I can't wait to see her face when she opens it up. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.